Good morning, everybody.
Stevie-O.
I love Oak Glen. It's so beautiful there.
I love Stevie-O. No one knowing your name. You may have heard about it. You've probably seen it somewhere online. The acai berry diet has gained international recognition as one of the highest antioxidant fruits in the world. Supposedly can also help you lose weight.
Yeah, but recently the supplement has come under fire for its marketing technique and luring you in by using fake celebrity endorsements. I learned that firsthand. Take a look.
This Brazilian fruit comes in various forms: juice, pulp, powder, and capsules. Like most berries, this antioxidant is supposed to be good for your health. Acai's popularity is all over the internet, and so are the ads. In fact, while on USA Today's site, I ran across one, and they're pretty much everywhere. But here's where the acai berry scam comes into play. Recognize that person right there? Yep. That's me. But according to this ad, I'm Julia Miller of News 6, and I quote-unquote put the acai berry to the test. Some sites even call me Stephanie. Now, these ads make people believe that I'm actually endorsing the product. Attorneys general from states like Illinois, Arizona, Texas, and Florida have brought cases against these companies for bogus advertisements. So how are they getting away with this? Here's what attorney Chris Kelly, who's also running for California Attorney General, says.
They're able to get away with it because of the lack of enforcement resources. It's one of the reasons that we need to target the largest gangs who are doing this first and go after them and shut them down. What they're doing clearly violates the law.
Now, KPSB Local 2 has had several of these ads taken down, but they keep reappearing, so it's really hard to keep up. People are falling for these ads because they see familiar faces.
Yeah, and here's what else they're doing, Todd. Some of these acai berry ads offer free bottles of pills, so if you sign up for a quote-unquote trial program, what ends up happening is they send you more pills and you get billed. So the moral is, be careful.
Yeah, you've gotten a ton of emails from people saying, "Whoa, you're not Stephanie."
Well, that's one of the reasons we did the stories, because so many people have sent us emails saying, "Look at this."
Yeah. All right, pretty cool. Good story. Up next, we head to Wall Street for the opening bell. How will stocks react to today's unemployment numbers?
Plus, a major recall announced by McDonald's at 6:30. Why the